Okay, hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be trying the My Hut box. I've never tried this before. It has like a calzone and fries. And on this channel I'm just going to be eating and talking about life and stuff. If that's your vibe or whatever, then click subscribe and like the video or whatever you do on YouTube. So let's get into this. I'm so excited to try this because I've never tried the Pizza Hut calzone thing. Okay, opening the menu. And this looks so good. Like, hello? Hello? Look at it oozing and dripping out. Oh, I can't wait. Mm. 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 Oh, so good. So basically, I'm just starting this YouTube channel because I was like, I don't have anything better to do. And also, I feel like a lot of people eat alone. So I'm like, if you want to feel like you're eating with somebody, and I also kind of want to try new foods and just have fun with it, you know? I don't know. I always wanted to be like a YouTuber, but I never like followed through with it. I did like Minecraft videos and stuff before, but yeah. This is so good. Sorry. Yes. Also got a root beer. I'm scared it's gonna like explode. Oh. Let me open it. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, it's definitely, oh babe, oh, it's exploding. Oh girl. Oh. Also, forewarning, this channel's gonna be kind of messy because I'm just a messy person. And I don't know, coming into this year, I'm starting to care less about what other people think. So like, that's kind of why I'm starting the channel, because I'm gonna do me. At the end of the day, I don't care what other people have to say. I'm gonna have fun, do what I want to do, period. Okay, I actually thought this was gonna be so gross, but it's so good. I'm like living for this. Also, if you have anything that you like want me to talk about, if anybody's even watching this, leave it in the comments below. Or if you want me to try like any new foods, let me know and I'll do it, because girl, probably nobody's gonna watch this, but it's for me at the end of the day, and I'm just doing it for fun. So I don't really care. If you watch, I love you so much. If you don't watch, I mean, I'll have fun with that. This is so good. I don't even know if I'll be able to finish this. Also, I love root beer. Also, I didn't know if I wanted to make this like more mukbangy or like more ASMR. I don't know if like people have like comments on that too. Like, let me know if you want me to like talk less or eat more or whatever. I also probably should buy new stuff, but like this is the first video, so I have a lot of improving to do and stuff. But we're just gonna try it out and we'll see where things go, if things go anywhere. Also, I got this ranch. I don't know if Pizza Ranch is good. I know people love Wingstop Ranch, but honestly, I don't even really like Wingstop Ranch. But I'm gonna dip the fries. I didn't even know Pizza Hut had fries till I checked like the app. But apparently they do. So let's do the fries and the ranch. Okay, that ranch, giving. Their ranch is actually good. But I don't know, maybe I have weird taste buds because everybody loves Wingstop ranch. And I don't really like it. I'm not a huge fan. But I've only had Wingstop like once or twice. The fries are low-key good too. Like what? Okay, Pizza Hut is there. But yeah, honestly, I'm kind of just doing this mostly for like therapy kind of. Because I'm going to be able to like learn to talk to the camera, be more comfortable with myself. Self-love is so important, period. And like, I don't know. I feel like this is just to help me. And just to eat, you know. Because one thing I do love is food. So, food and talking, period. If anybody watches, like I said, I'm just so thankful. Yeah, hopefully this is a good experience and hopefully it goes well. Yeah, this ranch. Girl. Oh. I don't know when this came out. Like, when did Pizza Hut ever have fries? I don't even know. But I was like, let me do Pizza Hut for my first video because I haven't had Pizza Hut in forever. Yeah, this is so good. Oh, God. Okay, I need some more root beer. Drink break. Oh, that's so good. Tastes crispy, period. Ooh. And back to the fries. Whew. I already feel full, low-key. I might even have leftover, but I need to finish these fries. Because these fries are not going to taste good leftover. But there's so many, like look, I have so many left. Oh god. Also with fall coming around, girl, I don't know about y'all, but when it's fall season, girl, I get so depressed. Like it's like, I don't like it. Like once the summer, oh it's like, but once fall hits, girl, no man. I don't know, seasonal depression to me is just like, oh. But I'm getting through it. And once it's like Christmas and Thanksgiving, oh, I can't wait. I love the holidays. Also, maybe I should do like, I don't know if anybody's gonna watch this, like I said, but if anybody wants to like give me like questions to answer or anything like that, like maybe if I get like even like 5 people to watch me or comments, then maybe we could do like a little Q&A thing. Or I can just come up with questions too and just be like, like da 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 da, and just list a bunch of stuff. But I don't know, I'm just gonna see where things go. Oh, these fries are so good. Like, okay, Pizza Hut. I'm gagged because the Pizza Hut I got it from, oh girl, because I've been there before, and I don't know, the vibes in there are not cute, girl. Like, I feel like they're low-key homophobic, but they made good food today, so period. But usually I don't like it at the Pizza Hut I went to, because it just gives sketchy vibes. So like, I was like, like, am I gonna get called a slur in here, or But no slur calling, period, and good food. But usually the pizza is not, like, I feel like it really depends on like the location where you get your food at. Well, because people making it, but usually they don't do a good job there, I feel. But today, oh, they blessed me. They like knew I was starting a YouTube channel. Period. Also, should I give like ratings like on the fries and the, I don't even know what that thing is called, like calzone pizza something. I think they call it something weird. But there's fries. I don't know. I don't know if I sound crazy, but like these might be like one of the best fries I've had. Except actually Culver's fries. Oh, I love Culver's. Those might be the best. Ooh. Okay, I'm getting so full. But I have so many fries left. Oh, let me get a drink again. Oh, that ranch hits. Ah, that's so good. I'm gonna have a good day today, period. Oh, can't wait. Also, probably post videos like every week, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. I want to do it every Friday or Saturday, maybe. If anybody even cares, like I said. Oh, it's so good. Okay, I'm almost finished with these fries. My stomach though. Oh god. Oh. Almost done with these fries. Oh, that was so good. And to finish it off, some more drink. Also, I didn't drink pop for like so many years, but now drinking pop, I kind of love it, and it's a bad habit now. I need to stop again. It's just so good. I love root beer. Oh. Okay. Well, I pretty much devoured it. I just have a little bit of the calzone thingy left. Probably gonna put that as just leftovers because I just want to eat all the fries. Because if you're a leftover girly, you know fries do not heat up well. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. But I have high hope for this channel, and if anybody watches, like I said, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and it means a lot to me. And I hope you have an amazing, blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.